Okay, here we go. First off, I want to say hello, Jerry and Susan, manager, I believe, who I spoke with yesterday. If you're here, hi as well. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video. Again, my name is Jeff, and my company is Belanger Solutions. And the point of the video is to show you how to increase the value of your company. I'll be going over three key factors that are needed to rank your business on Google and increase the exposure, therefore increasing your value. First thing is content. Second thing is backlinks. And the third thing is citations. Now, you can have the most beautiful website on Google, but without the right content and keywords, it simply will not rank and get you the added exposure that you're looking for. Many companies build beautiful websites, but fall short when it comes to content and SEO, search engine optimization. Now, understand every time you type something into Google, as you're typing it, you literally are actually typing keywords into Google, and Google uses those words to look for what you are asking with a website that best fits your search for the words that you are typing. Search engine optimization, right? Google crawls millions and millions of websites daily looking for content relevant to keyword or words, and then they categorize them, they categorize the websites, and that's how you establish rank. Now, you want 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords that are needed. Now, when I look for auto repair in Sanford, of course, you have the map pack that shows up. That's due with citations. And then you have everything that falls underneath it. This is where the ranking structure starts to begin, underneath the map pack. First, you have Yelp. That's an advertisement. That doesn't count. You have Boyd's Automotive. There's a competitor. Uh, Taylor Automotive. Sellers Automotive. Auto Repair Sanford. You have RN Motors. Black's Tire. Midway Tire and Auto. Carfax, AAA's. Then you're at the bottom. So, and then with the competitors, I can pull them up and I can see how they rank. And I can do that through a tool that I have. One of the competitors, this is you, I'm sorry. One of the competitors is the Boyd's Auto. And I can see when I plug them in here with the tool that I have, how many backlinks they have. Now, backlinks is where one site links to another. It's like an endorsement for your website from one another. And Google uses that to build trust in your business. I can see citations or referring domains. This is where your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as your Google business profile. And citations also help you rank in the map as well. And that's extremely important to be seen in the map. How many times have you typed into Google restaurant near me, something near me, boom, you get the map. That's how that happens. And citations include directories like Yelp, Angie, BBB, Yellow Pages, and you can get all of these just the same as they have. You can go over the organic keywords that they have that comes into your search engine and how it helps rank your content. This is just an example of one. We also have Midway Tire and Auto. Again, content, but they also have 1.35K on the backlinks, organic words, referring domains. Okay. And then I believe we have you, and you don't have any data. So once you bring all of your content, backlinks, and citations, once they come together and you start to outrank your competitors and it starts increasing your value because Google's going to recognize these as a legitimate business and they're going to see you, you'll quickly see value from your business now as you'll have more increased traffic. And increased traffic means more exposure, means more value. Of course, it means more revenue and gets you up on here recognized so you're not dealing with ads. I just wanted to take a few minutes to show you how this works. I want to thank you for your time. I appreciate it. I hope you have a better understanding how important it is a well-built website is and the value that it can bring to your company. If you find yourself wanting more info, we can talk. I could do some research to find out what it might take, for what exactly that you're looking for realistically. Uh, but that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you where you're at and give you a better understanding. So thanks for watching this. I appreciate your time and have a great day.